Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Terabox buffering problem, especially when it shows no internet connection. Before we begin, be sure to check out the helpful links I have added in the description below. Step 1 is to confirm your internet connection. Terabox buffering is often due to slow or unstable internet. Run a quick speed test to check. If your internet is slow, try switching networks, for example from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and test Terabox again. If the internet isn't the issue, now let's let's adjust Terabox permission. Long press the app icon, tap the eye icon here, then go to app permissions. From there, you can see this option, pause app activity if unused. Turn it off. After that, check it. If the issue still is there, then you have to go to the settings again and click clear data here and only clear cache, not clear all data. Don't worry, this won't delete your files, it will just have a restart. Now reopen Terabox and test it again. If it's still buffering, it might be a temporary server issue from their end. It will be fixed in a quick time. So that's it. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and check out our next tutorial.